Ni cuenta se da. Alright guys, it just happened something really incredible today. I was driving back home from car meet and met this guy right here, and I saw him a few times ago, but he decided to stop by my house since I got the other car right there, and he wanted to stop by to see who asked me who painted the car, and I told him who painted the red one. So he probably is gonna send it to paint it, but he's gonna sell it. There's a NA, I think it's automatic with 135,000 mileage on it. 136,000 mileage on it. And he said he's been on it for 15 years, right? 15 years. He owned this car for 15 years, and now I think it's time to get rid of it. But
well, you told me that it's kind of like a work.
Right.
But it was more than I wanted to, so
yeah.
I keep it.
That's right. It's really hard to get rid of them because, especially like this guy, he already spent like 15 years on this car. You already know, like, paint is fading, but it can be fixed. Nothing major. There is no rust on it. That's perfect, like normal wear on it. Engine sounds good. It runs good. And I'm glad I meet people like him, like they stop by my house because they see that we have cars in the parking, and that's really cool. Welcome to the channel, guys. And I am driving back home from a car meet that I went this morning, and I just walked on my driveway, and there was a guy with a 300ZX NA stopping by my house because he owns one, and then he's wanted to give him some advice, and that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. It feels really good when people stop by your house and it knows you because you own a 300ZX, and that's really satisfied. He's been owning it for 15 years, he say, and the car has 136,000 mileage on it. And I believe he's gonna sell it, and that's kind of sad because he don't want to sell it, but I think he's you already know how life is, right? You gotta get rid of stuff that you don't want to sell. That thing looks just like the one we sold last year or 2 years ago. For the first time, I'm gonna let someone else drive the Z. Well, actually, this is the second time. My buddy drove it, and I have another guy who drove it. One guy that I met on the car wash, and I'm gonna let this guy drive it. Yeah, guys, I'm really glad to own one of these cars, or at least work on them, because most of the time all the people who works on 300ZX, they are like really cool people, really nice people, everybody. And most of the time whenever we go to a car meet, we always trying to find each other to see another 300ZX, because this thing, it looks really good and I really love it. Yesterday I couldn't get to a car meet here in Nashville, but later on I just stopped for a couple of pictures with another 300ZX. Probably gonna be posted on my Instagram. I'm probably gonna have all the pictures. I'm probably gonna have all the pictures from any other 300ZX on my Instagram. There he is. Igual. Normal, sí. Sí, para atrás. Well, it seems like it's been a long time that he don't drive a manual, I guess. Yeah, it's pretty cool. when someone else like your car. Right? Right. Un poquito leve. Sí. So what do you think? Hey, he said he like it. He said it feels really very light. The car feels way more lighter than the Z. That's probably because the manual trans is Z is auto, so that's why it makes a lot of difference sometimes.
Oh, I was looking at the steering wheel.
Right?
I got I had to put a new cover.
Oh, did you?
Because mine was kind of like on the skin or
Oh,
the
yeah.
skin.
Yeah.
But all kind of dry and
Right.
worn out.
Yeah, this one is actually really good. It's not bad. Damn. To be NA, it drives pretty good. It drives really, really good. Damn, this car, it feels really smooth. I really like it. Damn. You feel like you're driving a Honda Accord or something like that, or TL. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get out again. It's really good. It drives really smooth. I'm really impressed at the way it drives. Really smooth. I thought it's gonna be pretty loud. Even in my car, these are way more louder than this one. This one's pretty quiet inside. God damn. Really quiet. Really comfortable too. Alright guys, that was a quick video for you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You want to say something about the Z?
Oh yeah, so I like the black key ones. Runs good. I never drove a car like this one with the turbo power.
It feels different, huh?
It feels kind of like a very kind of like a horse.
Right?
Quarter mile.
I cut on my one road.
Yeah, there you go. Thank you guys. Say
Alright,
hi
guys.
to Rafael. My name is Rogelio. I'll probably see you later on.
Alright,
I'll see
let's go.
myself on that channel.
Yeah, of course. Of course he's gonna be in the channel. Alright guys, that was it pretty much for today, and hopefully I catch you guys. I guess I catch you guys later in the next video. Probably gonna be working on the white Z right there. Alright, see ya.